Continuing with our vlog for green chili and wax, I just wanted to show you I cleaned up my eyebrows. They were really like up to here, so I let them grow out. I used to shave them completely off and then draw them in with the pencil when I was younger, you know, typical chola style. But now I let them grow to about here. So, but they're clean. They look okay now. I don't wear makeup anymore. It's been about 4 years, but I used to like I said, I used to shave these off, draw these back on, and then I would wear eyeshadow, mascara, obviously, liner, no blush, like a nude lipstick. When I was a teenager, I would match my eyeshadow with my whatever I was wearing. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show you my eyebrows and my little butterfly poster I ended up putting up here, and I'm on my pillow because I was arranging my new shit. Sorry about that. My other phone was ringing. I don't know if you heard it, but it was really loud. Like I was saying, I moved my new shelf in yesterday, and I was sitting down arranging the wax, and I pulled like a muscle in my leg, so I have to like stretch out and relax. So today is going to be a chill day. We're supposed to go pay the insurance, but I decided to just pay it online. I think we're just going to stay home in a little bit. I'm going to make a sandwich. I got to change out my wax. And we will see you again. Aww. Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Am I breathing? There's Capo. Where did Caprice go? Dookie's so cute, babe. He takes really good pictures. You trying to get my food? Yeah? Now you want food? Come. Hobos. I still can't see them. Oh, there's Luna. Oh, where'd they go? Here he comes. Oh, Lord, here we go. Get him, Caprice. Caprice, you're getting old. Get Luna. She loves her little. God, you're freaking deaf, man. Yeah, because they're nosy. They want to see where I'm going. If you guys were wondering about my dog that I used to have in the videos, Lucy the Chihuahua, that's where she's buried right there. That's her little burial site. We have about 8 dogs buried on our land. So that's one reason we'll probably always stay here, even if we change the trailer out or something. But yeah, my Lucy's there, so she'll always be with me. Oh, it's such a nice breeze right now. Oh, traffic jam. A branch fell. Oh, I hear a bunch of crickets. Couldn't go to work. There goes Duke. He is now. Oh, is it sprinkling or am I tripping? I think it's sprinkling. Which way do I go? I've been recording videos all day today since it was nice in the morning, but then around 2 it got hot. I had to put the AC on it. I took a little nap. I made burrito, ground beef burritos for dinner. I just finished eating. Now I'm just walking around our messy land. There's one of our trailers. This is the trash trailer. We pay like $5 to dump all that instead of like $75 to pay the trash guy. That's too expensive. We just take our own trash. Then we have another trailer there. And we have another one that's for our working, for the scrap. And here we are. Here's the trash, tires, back to sitting down. Let me see the Luna. Big old tongue. There's Camille. Trying to lick me to death. Okay, calm down, the two of you. Oh, they love each other so much. You love your sisters, huh? Yeah. There's Caprice somewhere. I don't know where Duke is. Where's Duke? Where's the boy? Where is the boy? Is that him over there? Where is it? Oh, I hear him. You guys like my slippers? Ugh. And there is some burping for your AMSR people that like the sound of burpees. There's people that like it, I guess. There's my dogs. This is this is part of my green chili and wax vlog. Showing you my dogs. We are outside getting some air because it's hot in the house. We don't have no air conditioning. I am in the middle of cooking dinner. Look at her. So silly. Silly girl. You're silly. You're a silly girl. Look at her. Aw, she's silly Willy. There's her mama. That's Caprice. That one's Camila. We call her Cum Cum. Waiting for the boy. He's here somewhere. Let's see where he comes over here. Oh, I got a dang itch from them stupid mosquitoes. Anyways, I always said I was in the middle of cooking dinner, so I'm out here while I wait for the chicken to cool down, and then I have to shred it and then add it to the food, and then we'll probably eat in like an hour and a half. We're making chicken pozole. It's just shredded chicken, can of hominy, seasonings, green chili. Then you'll eat it with tostada chips, and it's good. Sorry, our yard is a mess. We do scrap and we pick up trash, so our land looks like crap. I'm still waiting for the boy. That's what I'm waiting for. He's almost here. He's there. Is there? Where is he? There he is. Duke! He's over there making all kinds of racket. This one usually stays by me all day. The white one. That's my grand pup. So she stays with me. She's playing with her sisters. And her mama. That's her mom, and her sister is the big one over there. And my husband's in the car because he don't want to be out here, even though it's pretty nice and breezy out here. Okay, we will stop this for... Oh, yeah, these two. Continuing with our little adventure outside. For some reason, I get a lot of likes when I show our dogs. People like dogs. This one's my favorite. She is going to be 10 in September. 10 years old. Look at her collar. It's all screwy. Get off my shoe. Oh, I see B, or here B. It's here with me, guys. It's Scuttles. And since it's so hot, he wanted to come in the room with Mama and lie down on the pillow. That's my boy. He's 13 years old. And he's so cute. He's shy. Continuing with our vlog, I am making tortilla chips. I cut them up. They are in the frying pan. Probably need more oil. Then we're going to make canned pozole. Hold on, let me get the can. This is the one I like to use. It's called Juanitas Pozole de Puerco. with chili verde. It's pork and hominy soup, and it is good. It's just hominy and pieces of pork, and you eat it with tostada chips. That is our dinner for today. We will see. Good Saturday morning. Continue with my green chili and wax vlog. There's my little feet. There's my cute little pajamas. My sister actually bought this for me and my mom like 2 Christmases ago. 2 Christmases ago, so we can all match. Like I said, happy Saturday morning. Let's see how our weekend's been going. I just started, and there's somebody mowing in the backyard, so if it's too loud, I apologize. So I went to my allergy shots this week. What else did we do? I had my doctor's yesterday, and he confirmed that from my diabetes and the Manjaro usage, it affected my stomach, and it caused gastroparesis or something like that, which means my stomach is not digesting as fast as normal people. So in July, the end of July, I'm finally going to see my GI doctor and see what the next step is to getting rid of these burps. I started a new series. It's called In Wax We Trust. It's about my challenge for since January 2026 and probably 2027 and beyond. I'm going to be buying wax from all 50 states, and so I'm going over what wax I have from those companies. I think I already did Alabama, I think Alaska, Arkansas, California, and my next to purchase is actually Colorado, so I'm looking forward to that. And what else? Hold on, let's see if I can show you. I'm eating my ramen with carrots, zucchini, and onion, chicken flavored. Oh, stupid. I try to charge my other down phone, and I have my snack because my sugar's a little bit low. It's the Rice Krispie Treats Bliss Caramel Sea Salt Pretzel. It's pretty good. They're tiny little things, but they're pretty good. Try to charge my stupid phone over here. Hold on. And this is my sugar for right now. It's pretty good. Not bad for in the morning. As you can see, it ends at 5 days. I have the Sensor Freestyle 3 Plus. And I am drinking from this cup with my chihuahuas. Isn't that cute? This was a Christmas gift, I think, from a previous client. I'm drinking green tea and mint. I'm finally going back to work with my client in July. Looking forward to that. It is, 76 right now. Here in Mexico. I think it's good. Oh, it's been like in close to 100 every day. And so we have a fan in this room, and in the small room where I usually record, the AC we have in there. But there's my dog Scuttles. He's 13 years old. He's pretty old. But yeah, I just wanted to give little updates. What else is going on? I'm still waiting on that vendor wax haul. Should be coming next week, so I'm looking forward to that. That's my customs from what's the company? Oh, Let's Get Lit. Yeah, so we'll talk to you guys later.